Looking for a shampoo that truly cares for your hair? Loma Daily Shampoo promises to nourish, protect, and restore your hair's natural moisture while leaving it with a vibrant shine. If you want your hair to feel healthy, fresh, and full of life every day, this could be exactly what you need. I've tried countless shampoos over the years, but Loma's formula stood out immediately. What makes it special? It starts with pure, clean water infused with organic aloe vera powder, a combination called Aloemoist Complex. This blend of plant extracts, oils, vitamins, and minerals works gently yet effectively to moisturize and repair hair without stripping away natural oils. Plus, it's made with green chemistry principles, so it's better for your hair and the environment. What really impressed me was how naturally nourishing it felt. After just a few uses, my scalp felt healthier, and my hair gained noticeable volume and shine. The scent is fresh and pleasant, not overpowering, which makes every wash a refreshing experience. It's also vegan-friendly and cruelty-free, aligning with ethical choices for many shoppers today. Note: a couple of their styling products contain beeswax sourced responsibly, but the shampoo itself is totally vegan. Using it is straightforward. Just wet your hair, apply the shampoo, work up a lather, rinse, and follow up with Loma's Daily Conditioner for best results. This simple routine left my hair feeling clean, soft, and manageable without any heaviness or residue. If you're tired of shampoos that leave your hair dry or weighed down, Loma Daily Shampoo offers a clean, organic alternative that delivers real benefits. It's worth a look if you want to switch to something that supports healthy hair from root to tip while respecting the planet. Ready to experience the difference? Try Loma Daily Shampoo when you're ready to give your hair the care it deserves. With its blend of certified organic ingredients and proven results, it might just become your new favorite daily essential.